Hi, welcome back. I'm Claudia from Miss Olivia Rose Crafts, and today we're partnering with 12x12 Cardstock Shop. I will be making this 12 Days of Christmas Countdown favor box. If you would like to participate in this free event starting November 24th, where you'll receive 12 different files from 12 different designers, please head over to the link in my description box. Let's get started. We're going to begin by assembling our favor box base, and we're going to be using Bearly Art craft glue. I will provide the link for this glue in the description box below, along with the names and the links for the cardstock that I'll be using today. The tool that I'm using to help crease my score lines a little more, and also you'll see in a minute I'm going to use it to shape my flaps on my favor box, is called a bone folder tool. The red cardstock that I'm using is about an 80-pound cardstock, and I like using this weight for my base because it's going to make it durable and sturdy. I am using that bone folder tool to shape the flaps so it's easier to maneuver and glue down. Once we're done with our base, we're going to go ahead and set it off to the side and finish the rest of our project. I did use embossing folders to add a nice little touch to some of our pieces. This is going to be our chimney, which will be placed inside our favor box. We are going to move on to our Santa and our reindeer, and I went ahead and flattened this piece in Design Space and ended up doing a print then cut. I actually ended up printing it on a gorgeous pearl glitter cardstock, and I really like the way that it turned out. If you do not want to use print then cut, then you can actually cut it on vinyl and lay it on a white shadow, and it will give you the same effect. I actually really like using vinyl, but for this piece I wanted to give it an extra sparkle, and this printable cardstock was actually perfect for this piece. The clear layer that I'm using is called acetate, and it gives it that floating effect. I will also include that in the description box below. Now let's take a minute and admire this gorgeous glitter sequence cardstock from 12x12 Cardstock Shop. It is absolutely gorgeous, and they have a variety of colors. It is a chunky glitter sequence cardstock. It doesn't have much fallout, but I do like to use hot glue whenever I am layering my pieces, only because those pieces are a little chunky and I didn't want to risk them detaching from the adhesive foam tape. As a reminder, if you would like to make this project along with 11 other crafts, you can sign up for 12x12 Cardstock Shop's 12 Days of Christmas Paper Crafts. It will only be up for 12 days, and you can receive all of these files for free. To complete our wreath, I did want to do something a little different, and I decided to use this embellishment for the center of my bow. I feel like it added a nice little touch, and you can find these embellishments at Hobby Lobby. For our text, I ended up printing the text on a printable transparency film, which you can find on Amazon. I can link it in the description box below. Or you can use vinyl and lay it on acetate. My file includes both options, a printable or a version where you can just cut with vinyl. My file includes the numbers for our countdown. I hot glued them onto the star that is also included in my file, or you can buy felt stickers, which are the ones that I use to the left, the little Christmas tree with the number 12. Either way, it looks super cute and you can switch them out as you count down to Christmas. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.